friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious crystal beautiful ruby color dragon fruit jelly. Hope you like it. The color of dragon fruit is very beautiful, and it is very good to use it to make jelly. Dragon fruit contains oligosaccharides which can regulate intestinal flora, prevent constipation, and enhance immunity. It contains antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, which can eliminate free radicals, and have anti-aging and cardiovascular protection effects. Jelly is rich in dietary fiber and has health-promoting functions recognized both at home and abroad. It can effectively excrete heavy metals, atoms and radioactive isotopes from the body, acting as a gastrointestinal scavenger. Dragon fruit. Jelly powder. Pandan leaves. Pandan leaf wash and tie a knot. Cook pandan leaf to bring you the flavor. We need 1 liter water for this recipe. Once cooked, remove pandan leaf from soup pot. Add jelly powder, stir well under low flame until completely dissolved. Stir well. Add sugar to taste. Stir well until dissolved. Cooked jelly water set aside to cool down. Peel dragon fruit and diced. Mash dragon fruit into paste thoroughly with fox. Spread dragon fruit paste on containers. Pour jelly water into container. Remember to wait until the jelly water is slightly cool before pouring it in and mixing it with the dragon fruit. If the temperature is too high, it will cause the loss of anthocyanins and vitamin C, and the dragon fruit will lose its original value. After the jelly has cooled, place it in the refrigerator for 6 hours to solidify. Beautiful ruby color. My dog smelled the jelly smell and waiting for me to feed her food. I took jelly out from the refrigerator the next day. Let's see the results. Beautiful jelly. Dragon fruit seeds are all over the jelly surface. So cute.
Can't take my eyes off.
Cut the jelly at your preferred shapes. Doesn't it looks like Ruby? You may eat it as or serve as jelly drinks. Dragon fruit is cool in nature, and the glucose in the flesh is not sweet, but its sugar content is higher than that of ordinary fruits. Taboos: dragon fruit should not be eaten with milk. Diabetics, women with cold constitution, pale complexion, limb weakness, frequent diarrhea and other symptoms of cold constitution should not eat too much, and women should not eat dragon fruit during menstruation. The redder the surface, the better, and the greener the green, the fresher it is. If the green part becomes dry and yellow, it means it is no longer fresh. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.